welcome to pretty much the final status of this 1995 Acura Legend LS Coupe restoration. It's been a long time in the making. I've shared 8 or so videos up to this point, and really excited to unveil what I believe is 99% the finished product. So this car started out life as a surviving but pretty rough Sherwood Green LS 6-speed manual, and over the last year and a half or so it has transformed into a showpiece. Really, this car is going into the Acura of Tempe showroom on Sunday morning this weekend, and it will sit there on display for about a month for folks to enjoy. In order to really appreciate the progression of this car, you have to kind of look back at the other videos to see where it started. It was a tow-away project car that was given to me for free, and before you think that was a good deal, wait till you see my expense list. I don't know if I'll get around to sharing that, but it would definitely be an eye-opening sort of experience for someone to see what goes into a real front-to-back restoration, inside and out, mechanical, cosmetic, interior, the works. There's a lot involved here. I'm really proud of how the interior turned out. This was all reupholstered by Trim Fit Upholstery here in Phoenix, and he did a phenomenal job matching the color with the factory ivory type F leather seats, including the center console, and got a really nice set of type F floor mats from my friend Alan in Florida, as well as other details that probably most people don't appreciate, like that nice looking chrome shift knob, a really beautiful burlwood console from my friend Evan that was custom refinished, and a variety of other things that really went into this interior. Here's a look under the hood. This is a perfectly stock 3.2 liter Type 2 V6 that really stayed true to its original form, but was completely overhauled. This car got a long list of mechanical improvements, including head gaskets and timing belt, water pump, kind of the works to bring it up to speed so that it can be a reliable daily driver if I choose to, which I won't. Put way too much effort in this thing to subject it to day-to-day use, but I will get some use out of it. I plan on registering this car at the Radwood show coming up in Phoenix, October 14th, if anybody's in the area and wants to check it out. New Michelin tires as well. They discontinued the model of tire that I like, but this one does the trick. These are called the Defender LTX. Hope to get some good use out of those.
This guy in front guy? How am I gonna go? There we go. See, who needs a 4-wheel steer Prelude? The finishing touch on any showroom display is the plate. So we're representing 1995 today. It was a good year. Nice to touch it.
I think that is it. The Legend is put away here for the next 30 to 45 days, I'm guessing. We'll let people enjoy it. And I even put my little 95 model year plate on the back to dress it up a little bit in here, and got the windows all the way down. Taped my window sticker in here, as well as a little summary plaque or printout that a friend, Jason, helped me put together. Just kind of has some details about the car, the powertrain, final model year for the Legend, full restoration, exterior, interior, mechanical, Arizona car since new, and then a link to my Instagram. Speaking of links, I wanted to also give people a chance to follow the restoration, or at least catch up on what they might have missed. So I put some pictures here in a little packet that people can thumb through and see how this car started out. And then the final page is a QR code link to the whole YouTube series. So felt like that was a good immersive way for people to greater appreciate how far this car came.